Biya Kamal ka Nuer online TV channel ka jan gwas me ban dolanda shadul kor ke vice president riek machar durgon candidate content pu findien jan chinaro ke je ka dobadan ende nyɔc de je kapchonga je ki ladje gosen content cha fega nyɔc ki flot re which ka South Sudan roje me je roje dan bu kono kwen ka dobadan en chaje non ka je ki de kon linga je ban jeling ken nyam amanda nan chicken lat ngumi dol kan ka jaki do badien de nyoj de je ka chonga jamoki de na de ka loka jere which ka South Sudan roj mishallah ta Dr. Machar kan netin kon tin chika dol kel re which ka South Sudan an walle ka shanga diok ka pairo ron kin dangro widi jandangro widi dich no andol modul kan re which ka South Sudan ka juba bukon shulin kel ka do badana de kon lingeja jalad na gwasame wa His Excellency Dr. Yomacha Durgon, first Vice President of the Republic of South Sudan and Chairperson of the National Water Committee, convened a meeting this morning at his office with the Honorable Palmai Dang, Minister of Water Resources and Irrigation, and a representative from key partner organization, the International Organization for Migration, or IOM, and the World Food Program, WFP. The meeting focused on a comprehensive review of flood mitigation initiative and community-based project implemented by the Minister of Water Resources and Irrigation and its development partner in Jonglei Unity and Upper Nile State. IOM and World Food Program representative presented an overview of the 2024 program activities, strategically designed to enhance community resilience and support flood mitigation strategies. They detailed their collaborative effort with government institutions, highlighting initiatives such as land reclamation through dike construction in Unity State, improvement to local infrastructure, and critical interventions aimed at preserving livelihood for affected population. Furthermore, the partner outlined their 2025 work plan, which prioritized flood-affected areas with particular focus on Duke and Twish East counties of Jonglei State, ensuring targeted and effective intervention. This meeting underscored the government's continued commitment to addressing the challenge of flooding in South Sudan and to fostering collaborative partnership with international organizations to protect vulnerable communities. Michigan lat gwasa me aduwa dana de nyoy de kapchonga jere wika South Sudan ke duwa dana de South Sudan de kelet kenetin kontin de na de kan kalwak ka kwinya ko ngek konen wo nyoch ador kel mi bej longre wika South Sudan la netin wala ka daga ke la dor la ka daga kane ti mi chaka dak la kan duwa dana de ka loka jela kana gor mital duwa mi chaka loka jena mo balari kanetin kontin cha dor ken chaka dak ajen ler dana go de nyoy kel an biya ta kamal ban nyoy de mu da den babay